Hello YouTubers, this is Dr. John Clark from Dr. Spine Clinic in Bangalore, and we're here with a patient who's had some lower back problems, so in his own words I'll let him tell you the story.
Hey guys, so I had popped a muscle or something when a few years back, 3 to 4 years back, when I was gymming, and since then I've been to a lot of hospitals, big names, been through a lot of x-rays and CT scans and stuff, and nothing sorted my back. It was so bad that I needed help to get up sometimes. I mean, I would have to go onto a side and then get up. I needed help. So after I started coming here, it's been I've been through like 6 to 7 sessions first. Then I had to take a break in between. Now I've started again, and I'm feeling much better. And it's been a wonderful experience. And
that's great. That's awesome. Had you been to any other therapists before?
Yes, I've been on medication. Most of the times it was once they gave me an injection for my pain right here, and most of the times it was some kind of painkillers. They kept giving me Naxone 500, which when I would have to have 3 to 4 tablets a day. When I would have for the next 1 hour, I'll feel much better, but then the pain would come in. It's basically just cutting off I'm not feeling the pain. Is still there because of the tablets. I'm not feeling the pain.
Yeah.
Now I've not been on any kind of medication for almost 1.5 years since the time I've come. So it's a good feeling.
That's awesome. And then what were you telling me about the x-rays and the MRI?
So they did an MRI, 2 MRIs have done, multiple x-rays. And whenever they see the x-ray, they'll say everything's fine. There's nothing that's visible. There's no cracked bone. There's no hairline fracture. Mm-hmm. This is what they were hunting for. But apparently that was not the scenario. It was a wrong adjustment, or my hip bone was on a different or an awkward position, which was something they could not figure out or find out. Mm-hmm. And I have all the x-rays to prove it, because when I came here, doctors here, they took an x-ray, and it was something, maybe with their experience they could see that it was a little in a different position. Yeah,
there was a minor misalignment there and some stiffness as well.
Right.
So once in a while we get x-rays that are really perfect, however they're still stiff. Right. So even though you have a good static x-ray, it has to be able to move. So anyway, we figured out what the problem was. You had a functional issue with certain joints that weren't moving properly, and then certain muscles were tender.
Yeah.
And with the chiropractic adjustments to the joints and some work on the muscles, we got your function back up to a high level. Yep. So you're feeling a lot better after 3 years of suffering.
Right.
And would you recommend chiropractic to your friends and family?
This is, I would suggest, if you have any kind of body pain because of something that you did, the first option should be to go to a chiropractor and not to your regular hospitals, because it's something that happened. It's an external thing. It has to be fixed externally. I feel that popping in all these medicines are not going to sort it out.
Right.
So that's something important.
Yeah, well, to paraphrase, we try to treat the cause. That's our goal with every patient, and we have a very high success rate doing that, rather than just covering up the pain with pills, right?
Right. Yeah. Pills is not the solution. Don't go for pills.
Yeah, well, temporarily it gives you some relief, but it doesn't treat the ongoing problem.
It's going to help you, because the pains, what I felt when I was, for the last 2 to 3 years that I've been popping pills, what I felt is that when the effect of the pill would wear down, and the pain would be there again.
Right.
So basically the pain's there, I'm not feeling it because of the pain. So it's not a solution.
Yeah, well then the risk is when you're under the medication, you might think you're okay and lift something and hurt yourself even more.
Even more.
Yeah. Yeah, well that's, the best thing is to treat the underlying cause. So that's what we do here at Dr. Spine in Bangalore, India. So if you're in trouble, give us a call, and then we'll do a YouTube video for you. All right?
See, I'm going to be a celebrity now.
All right.
Bye guys.
Okay, thank you.